Hello, this is a demonstration of how the Bezant scan, wallet, and transfer function works on the Bezant blockchain. On my right, this is the Bezant scan page, and the scan is actually connected to the testnet that the developers are building at the moment. On the scan page, you can see the list of blocks and transactions, well, the recent ones. And you can see the blocks in a graph. You can see it by hour, the blocks by minute. You can see also the transaction by hour and the transaction by minute. Next, we're going to show you how to create a wallet, send a coin from one wallet to another wallet, and see how that reflects on the Bezant scan. And on the left side, this is the Bezant wallet page. So normally you will be required to make an ID, which is through your email, but for simplicity purposes, we actually made an account for you. So we're going to try it out. Oops, and then we're going to add a password. Sorry. Okay. Since we just made an ID, we have no wallet. And so for today, we're going to make two wallets. One will be the sender's wallet, and the second will be the receiver's wallet. So I'm going to name the wallet the sender wallet test and give it a password. And then I will create the wallet. Okay, so the wallet's created, and I'm going to make the second wallet called the receiver wallet test, and I'm going to put the password. Okay, and then voila. Great. So right now it looks like I have 0 BZNT for both accounts. But for this test demo, we created a feature where you can just press to receive Bezant. So for this one, I'll just press this button. Okay, so I received 1000 BZNT. Now I am going to take that 1000 and send some over to the receiver's wallet address. So all I need to do is copy the receiver's wallet address, and I copied it. And I'm going to use my wallet, and it will require me to enter my password. And then right now, yep, you can see the 1000. I'm going to send, let's say, 66.78 BZNT. And then the wallet address is as so. I paste it there, and then I'm going to press the transfer button. And then I'll enter my password one more time. And then let's see. Okay, so my transaction has been successfully submitted, and you'll get a link to that transaction. So I'm going to press that link. So you'll be redirected to a page, and it looks like the transaction was a success. So in this page, you can see the transaction hash, the status, which was a success, the block height, the timestamp, and from and to addresses, and the amount that you sent, and the contract name that this transaction is pertaining to, and also the data, which contains the bytecode. And I'm going to look at the list of transactions. I'm going to press the transaction menu. And so these 4 transactions were the transactions used to create the wallet, the 2 wallets, to receive the Bezant, BZNT, and then to send the BZNT. Now these 2 wallets, these 2 transactions are actually created when you create a wallet. So once you create a wallet, you create a transaction. So this transaction pertains to the sender wallet, and this transaction pertains to the receiver's wallet address. Oh, it's a wallet. And these are 2 transactions that are shown in the list. And then when we receive the 1000 BZNT, we received it from the master wallet address, and that transaction is shown here. And then there's another transaction that shows us transferring from the sender's wallet to the receiver's wallet of 66.78 BZNT. And let's see if it's reflected on the scan. As you can see, the block height is 1239, and the block height is right here. It's actually reflected. And I think the transactions from this 1236 was the actual transaction that we made. It's accurately portrayed in the scan. And also it's reflected in the transaction details as well. So you can see that the transactions are immediately reflected in real time onto the Bezant scan, and you can see the different the different parts in the graph of the transaction and blocks. Okay, so you might be wondering why there is a block height of 1239 and all blocks are 1240, why there's a discrepancy. It's because when we first began the block, we began with block 0, which is the genesis block. And this concludes the demo for today. I've shown you how to create a wallet and how to send from one wallet, how to send a coin from one wallet to another wallet. And I've shown you how that reflects on the Bezant scan. So thank you for watching, and we will look forward to see you during our quarter 4 when we release our testnet. Thank you again.